Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how I've made these cute little gift boxes here. I'm going to call them my boat boxes because they, I think, look like a little boat. And then on the front I've got a little hook and loop just behind here. And then inside you've got your space there for your treats. So I'm going to fill these. I'm going to get a little cellophane clear bag, fill it with sweets. And these are going to be going to my friends' children. I've just used some of my papers there, which I'll show you in a minute. Cute little bow, and then this one's got the sentiment trick or treat on the front. Very quick and easy to make, so let's get started. So to make one of the boxes, you will need a piece of 7 by 8 card, and you want to score it 2 inches on all 4 sides. So 2 and rotate, 2, 2 and 2. And then along the 7-inch side you just want to mark at 3.5. So just put a little mark like so, flip it, and again 3.5, just a little mark like so. We'll do some other scoring on that in a moment. And then I've got this piece here which is for the closure, and this is 9.5 by 4, and along the 9.5 side you want to score it 4 3/4, so right down through the middle. It doesn't have to be that height. You might want to bring it down shorter. You might want to have, you could stick 2 longer pieces either side and then attach them with hook and loop at the top, or put a handle on. I've got similar to that style actually on the channel. If I remember, I'll link them up here. Okay, so that's all the scoring done. So with this one here, where you've done that little mark at 3.5, I like to use a metal stylus, and I've got my ruler. You're just going to score down, you just want to focus within this rectangle here in the middle, but you're just going to score from that marker down to the bottom corner there, and then down, and then down again to this bottom left corner. So just pop your stylus down and your ruler and score, and again score across. And this is what's going to give us that boat, the like points on the side. Just flip that round and you just want to do the same again. So just score from that 3.5 little notch that you made down to each corner within that rectangle there. Okay, once you've done that, you want to fold and burnish all of your score lines. And then with these ones here, just fold down like so, and again like so, and just pinch across there like so. Okay, then you want to cut along the long side. You're going to cut up your squares here just up to the first score line, again like so, and then rotate to the opposite side. And then I like to take a nice wedge off of the sides here. Okay, now we're going to add glue onto these 4 corners, and you're going to bring them up to the other side like so, and you'll see when you squeeze that out you'll get that boat shape. So I'm going to use my quick grab glue for these pieces. So just cover like so, and bring that around, and just make sure you've got a nice right angle there. Okay, again. So now we've got our little tray, which when you squeeze the side you'll see you get that shape. This one here, you want to choose one of the sides. It's up to you which one. I'm going to use the construction glue now because this is just nice and strong, so it will hold that in place. And if you did turn it into more of a handle, construction glue will allow you to have something heavier in there. It will just hold it. So I'm just going to line that one up there and just give that some time to dry. So whilst that is drying, I've got my pattern paper here. So this is all from my Halloween collection, my paper collection. So you've got this one here. You've also got these 3 sheets here which have puppets on them. The mechanism's in there as well, so you can make some kinetic cards with this. But you've got all these lovely papers. So I've chosen the pumpkins there. And then I've used the sentiments are from my sticker sheet here. So it's the foiled sentiments. This one I've got have a spooky day, but you've got Happy Halloween, you scaredy cat. So some of them go with the puppets, perfectly wicked in every way. Don't drink and fly. Happy birthday as well, because we've got lots of October birthdays. Today is all about you. And then you've got I'm Batty for you, Spooky Wishes, Boo to you, Careful and Fragile, Shake, Rattle and Roll. So you've got the skeleton puppet in there as well. So there's some fun ones. And these are all the same as well. They're just in a different font. There's also washi strips there as well. So these ones here are are 3 3/4 by 4.5, and they're going to go on the sides here, like so. And then I've got this one. I just thought it was nice to have a bit of pattern paper inside. You could also cover all in here. You could maybe have a sentiment here as well if you wanted to. This one here is 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. So I'm going to stick all that down, and then I'll show you how to add your little bow, and I'll pop the sentiment on as well. So I've got my hook and loop here. These are the 20 mil or 2 centimetre ones, and I'm just going to pop that in the middle on the back there, and then just bring it down and just line it up with the bottom there. And then my little bow, you could use hot glue, but I used this quick grab glue on that one, and it seems to have secured itself quite well. So I'm just going to pop that one there. So those are my 2 very cute little boat shaped treat boxes, little gift bags. You could add a little handle, maybe some ribbon, you know, to hold it that way. And you can obviously use this for many occasions. It doesn't have to be for Halloween. I think these would look lovely decorated with Christmas papers and birthdays and things like that. So as always, I will have everything that I've used linked in the description box below, but you can also shop the product just here. If you want some more Halloween or just gift box inspiration, check out the playlist here, because I've got loads of different tutorials. And if you've enjoyed today and you're not subscribed to my channel, just click here, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. See you all again soon. Bye.